Holly, this is the SM Mall in Lipa, Batangas, Philippines. Look at, there's not one empty store. All along here you have food court, live entertainment, everything from motorcycle helmets to fried fish heads. This is the second floor. There's another layer over there, and then downstairs. And this is the middle of the week, Thursday, September 25th. There's more people here now than there would be in the mall there on Christmas. Who's that? That's Sai. Say hi, Holly.
Hi, Holly.
Smile. Look, all kinds of food items. We're gonna go into the banchan. It's great. They got like a fish and chicken. We like to go there. Then they have the shakies. Look at that. Motorcycle helmets. What do you call them? Glasses. There's your shakies. Here's the Zex Burgers where I told you we're gonna go for lunch. This is where we're going right now. Goodbye.